YouTube? Your boy Mellow got J's back at you once again with another YouTube vibe, and today we're gonna do it a little different. As you can see, we got that sub W shot displayed right over here with the Reebok X Bait X Toy Story collab Reebok Insta Pump Furies. So we're gonna do a little unboxing for you guys today, change it up a little bit just to go over the details of these two shoes. As you can see, both of them, whew, each foot is amazing. In my opinion, you know, I like the Woodies a little bit better than the Buzz, but I think both of them definitely came out very well. Very good detail overall. So, I mean, without further ado, enough talking. Let's get into this video. Yo, where's this package that I've been waiting for, man? Looking at this,
delivery!
What? Oh, yo, I almost broke my phone, bro. I think this is the package that I've been waiting for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pump it up. Pump it up. Yo, something special in store for you guys today. So looking over at the SKU on the box. So we got the Insta Pump Fury OG. These were a collab between Bait and Toy Story. These bad boys retail for $180, so a very good price point for these. You know, this is definitely a collab that we all been waiting for, and it's finally here. We're lucky to have these in our hands today. So let's get right into it. Starters, see that Woody vibe? Woo. I think this is probably my favorite foot of the shoe. And then got the Buzz Lightyear. So let us know in the comments, you know, what's your favorite foot? You know, Buzz Lightyear's the left foot, Woody's the right foot. Which one do you guys like better? For me, I'm probably gonna go with the Woody vibe, but the Buzz is super duper dope as well. All right, so we'll start off with this foot right over here first. This is the left foot. This is the Buzz Lightyear. So Buzz is definitely a lot of people's favorite character. So here we have the red striping. So this pretty much is identical to Buzz's wings. Then right over here, you know, we have the green and we have the purple accents as well, which are identical to Buzz's outfit within Toy Story. The purple pretty much emulates the mask that he wears, like under the helmet. Then we have your nice leathers on the toe cap of the shoe, going up to the tongue of the shoe as well. On the medial side, you have your Buzz Lightyear lighting right over here, which is pretty cool. Then on the tongue of the shoe, you can see that we have the Space Ranger logo. So that's definitely a nice touch to the shoe as well. Then looking at the backs of the shoe, you also have the abbreviation of the Space Ranger wording. All right, moving on to the Woodies, which is the right foot of the shoe. So this is definitely my favorite. I like the cow print on the uppers all throughout. So that's pretty consistent to his outfit within Toy Story as well. And you got sort of your flannel within the tongue and the sock line of the shoe, so that's very dope as well. You got the sheriff star right here on the heel counter of the shoe, and then this is sort of like a denim material, so it's very consistent all throughout on the toe caps and the uppers of the shoe, as well as the tongue and the heel counter. So that's definitely a nice touch to emulate Woody's outfit all throughout. And if you want to be on your John Cena vibe, you feel me?
Crowd response to Cena.
The 5-knuckle shuffle. Pump it up, tighten these bad boys up. So this is definitely a good shoe to wear like on court, or you know, if you want to just wear them like off the court, just rocking them casually. But definitely pumping them up, you know, definitely helps tighten the shoe up for more sturdier support all throughout the shoe. All right, so now let's get into the insoles of both of these shoes. We'll start over here with the Buzz Lightyear, and then we'll move on to the Woody insert as well. All right, so now that we have both the inserts here, you could definitely see the Andy wording all throughout on the inserts. So Andy is pretty much the owner of both Buzz Lightyear and Woody. So all of his toys, he will write the Andy wording like on the bottom of the soles of all of his toys. All right, and to go further into the inserts, obviously right here we have your Toy Story and your Bait collab right on the inserts of the shoe. So that's also a very nice touch. These also come with a nice little treat for you guys. Move your tissue paper out the way. So they also come with this special packaging to give it a nice, you know, toy presentation, because most toys come in this special packaging, as you can see right here. So let's see how the shoes look inside. All right, now as you can see right here, Reebok, Bait, and Toy Story definitely did this packaging justice, because this is definitely something you could grab at like a Toys R Us, looking on the shelf, and be able to pull these bad boys off and take them home. Like, this packaging is super amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this box set, because I know I really did. I'm definitely a huge fan of these shoes, especially Toy Story the movie, Bait, Reebok. You guys killed this collab. Drop down some comments down below. Let us know how you guys feel about the shoes. Let us know if these are the drip or if they're a drop. And make sure you guys copy your pairs on the SneakerCon app, sneakercon.com. Boy Mellow Guy J checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely something different. Figured I'd change it up for you guys, give you a little unboxing, you know, give you a detailed preview of these Toy Story bait joints, man. Super appreciative to have these in my possession. You know, this is definitely not a shoe that you guys see every day. And I mean, I don't own any Reeboks in my collection currently until now. You know, I'm definitely super satisfied to have these, and you know, this is definitely will be a shoe that will never leave my collection. You know, especially being such a big fan of Toy Story growing up. It's definitely a movie that was a big part of my childhood. So these will forever be in my collection. Whew, super satisfied to have these once again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys do so. Make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys leave a comment and share it along. Pass the word. We just got over 300 subscribers. You know, next up we want to get to 400. So let's keep this going. Spread the word. Your boy Mellow Guy J checking out. Love you guys. Bless up. See you on the next one.